Hi everyone, thanks for joining our Agrimaster tutorial. Today we're going to be going through how to log into Agrimaster and how to reset a forgotten password. Let's jump right in. We'll begin by double-clicking the Agrimaster icon on the desktop. This will open up the Agrimaster login page. To log in, we just need to enter our user number in the top, and then our password in the box beneath. To see your password, you can just click the eye icon to the right of the blue box, and this will make it become visible. To hide it, just press it again. Once you've entered the correct credentials, press the blue login button at the bottom. This will open up the file manager page. Now I'll just log out and show you what to do if you forgot your password. So you'll see a blue forgot password link here. We'll just click that. Enter our user number and then our email address. If you enter the wrong email address, the following message will appear. If you can't remember the correct email address, you'll have to get in touch with our support team and we can reset the password from our end. If you enter the right email address, then the following message should appear. This will say that an email has been sent to the email you just entered, and so now we can just click go to login, and we'll have to go to our emails. If you can't see the Agrimaster email on your normal inbox, you might just have to check your junk email. So once you find the email, just click it. And once it's open, you'll see that a new password has been issued. We'll just have to copy this by highlighting it and either pressing Ctrl and C on our keyboard, or we can right click the mouse and copy. So now we've copied that, we can close this email and go back to the login page. We'll just have to log in with our user number again and now paste the password by either pressing Ctrl and V on the keyboard, or we can right click and paste. Press this bar to make sure it's correct and we can log in. Now, if you need to change your password to something easier, we can do so by pressing these three vertical lines at the top next to your name and going down to change password. In the first box, we'll just have to put the password that was issued, and we can check this again by pressing the I and then creating a new password. Now, the new password has to be at least 8 characters long, contain at least 1 capital letter, and contain at least 1 number. And you'll notice as I put in the new password, this bar will go from red to green depending on how strong it is. In the bottom bar, you'll just need to confirm the password you put in, and if they both match, your password will be changed successfully. So now you know how to log into Agrimaster, reset a forgotten password, and change your password through a file manager. Thank you for watching, everyone. If you need more information, please have a look at our help articles or book a one-on-one consultancy and training session with our team. All our links are in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Have a great day.